how's it going? This is Jo with Mending and Making. Good to see you again. I'm just making this short video just to give you a little update on how things are going here. I've been super busy lately. I have videoed quite a few things. I just struggling to get it edited and uploaded on my channel. So hopefully you'll be seeing some more videos real soon. So I thought I would just give you a little preview of what I'm going to make in the next few weeks. Just a sneak little peek. Those videos will be uploaded also soon, and so you can see them. As someone who works full-time, and I also have a kid, a 9-year-old, it keeps me pretty busy, so it's hard to get everything on my list done. So bear with me. We'll get there together. So I say so a lot, don't I? Oh my gosh. Well, let's do well. Is that better? Okay. I've been looking through my wardrobe, and I tell you what, I am lacking a lot of things. And I want to avoid buying fast fashion. That's one of my goals this year. And it's been my goal a few times over the years, is to avoid fast fashion. So my goal is to find it by thrifting and by sewing it. So I'm going through perimenopause, and I'm getting a little extra weight in my stomach. So I'm looking for some very comfortable pants and shorts. So I've been seeing this pattern for many years now, and I've been wanting to try it out. It's the Pomona pants. I think I'm saying that right, Pomona pants. I got the pattern, and I'm going to make that soon. I can't wait. I'm going to try and make a shorts first and then some pants. And let me show you the fabric I picked up for the pants. I found this beautiful linen cotton blend fabric. I love blue. I'm always buying blue. So I'm going to make some pants out of this and possibly a top of some type out of the same fabric to do kind of a matching outfit. I don't have anything like that, and I think that I've seen some people on Instagram with that kind of look, and I just love it. So I'm going to do that with this fabric here. I got this at a local fabric shop in my area. Support small local businesses. And while I was there at that shop, I discovered this pattern maker right here. She's actually, I live in North Carolina in the US, and I was told that she is a local pattern maker within an hour's distance of where I live. And so I picked up this pattern of hers. Here's a little bit of line drawing here of it. And it's such a cute top. And I'm going to make this pattern out of this fabric that I got at the same shop. This cotton fabric here. Pretty. I love purple. I'm going to make it out of this cotton, and I'll do a pattern review on that pattern soon when I make that top. So there's just a few things, and hopefully I will get editing on the other videos that I've already recorded. I think I got like four or five videos of projects that I've done already, or other things of that nature that I have on my hard drive ready to edit. So stick around, please hit the like button if you like this video. I appreciate that, and subscribe so you can see more of my videos in the near future. And check out what I've already made. I have quite a few tutorials on some projects, but I'm going to start doing a little more garment sewing in the near future. So I hope you enjoy seeing those videos too. Have fun sewing, and I will see you soon. Bye.